In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your GoDaddy password step by step, quickly and safely. If you ever want to update your login for security reasons, or just because you've forgotten your old password and need to keep your account protected, this guide will walk you through the entire process. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your username. This opens your account menu where you'll find the settings you need to update your password. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This takes you to your main account management area. On this page, you'll see several options related to your profile, billing, security, and account preferences. To continue, find security in the sidebar and click it. Now you're in the security section, which is exactly where GoDaddy keeps your password controls. Here, look for the password option and click on it. This will open the password change form where you can update your login credentials. Next, you'll need to enter your new password in the first field and then type the same password again in the confirm new password field. Make sure both entries match exactly. It's a good idea to use a strong password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Change Password. GoDaddy will process the update and your account password will be changed immediately. After that, you can use your new password the next time you sign in. If you run into any issues, double check that your new password meets GoDaddy's security requirements and that both fields match perfectly. Also, if you're using a password manager, now is a great time to save the new password so you don't forget it later. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy password. Simple, fast, and much more secure. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software and website tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.